Yeah.
code for the meeting? Is there any code?
There can be a code also, but the link is better. Link is better. What is the
Karima
problem?
ma'am is unable to join us.
There is no worry. They have to just click the link. That's all. Link
I'll
or
just.
code, both are same. No
Oh,
problem.
oh,
You can have any one of them to join the group.
oh.
So we have one young girl, Avni. Just keep on welcoming the young kids also. And then there is Ashi. Hello, beta.
Hi,
They
sir. Good
really
morning.
made our day.
Hi, sir. Good
Avni, how are
morning.
you? How are you?
Good. How are you?
All good, beta. केक बनाएंगे बना लिया सबने आशी अवनी मान्य
Sir, we already made.
you already made it
abhi I will make it. It's just a
okay
2-minute
okay
job.
where is Abhiraj
He is watching TV. He will
बुला
just
लो
come in
उसको
a minute.
बुला ले इसको बुला ले last time he made the bag and the sandwich remember अच्छा मधुमिता keep taking the screenshots ठीक है
Yes. Mahima and Medha can help me with the screenshot. Hello everyone.
Hello Nitin sir, hello everyone.
Hello Karima ma'am, welcome.
I am the last minute cook ma'am. I can show you. It's going on.
Oh, that's awesome. You want to log in? You want to log in?
Anusha ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, should we start?
Yeah, madam. Yeah, we
Sir,
can
should we
start,
start?
Madhumita.
It's already 1:08. We can start. A very good afternoon to all and all of them who are joining from India and Shaba al Khair to people joining us from the Kingdom of Bahrain. Amity Center of Happiness and Blood Connects brings to you a very important event that is Bake for Happiness. To fill your little bit gloomy and somber quarantine days with the aroma of freshly baked cake. We are gathered here because of our constant and determined efforts of our very own Center Head of Happiness, Professor Nitin Arora. Thank you so much, sir, for taking this initiative and making so many efforts and getting us all together under one roof. I also welcome all our faculty members of Amity family who has joined us today and are always present for cheering us up, for cheering all the students up and giving us a boost of everything we do. Today, we have with us Mrs. Anusha Kumar, who has joined us all the way from Bahrain. She is a wonderful cake artist as well as a founder of a page As You Like It Creations. She is a state rank holder in hotel management with a long experience, more than a decade, and she not only holds a degree in hotel management, but she also holds a lot of certifications, like one from Wilson School of Baking, California. Ma'am, we are really honored to have you with us today. And let me just speak less and show you more of her work so that we all can see all the kind of work she has already done. I'm going to share my screen and show a video to all of you. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Madhu.
Yes.
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 No.
No.
Is it audible?
No.
Okay. audible now?
Yes, it's audible, Madhumita. Go on.
Okay. Thank you, Medha.
Madhumita, video is not coming, I guess. Or my screen is freezing.
No, I'll just check it once.
Yeah.
Madhumita, share the desktop, then the video will be visible.
Okay. Yeah. It's
Oh,
already
sir, your angels
shared.
have came.
Is it visible now?
The audio is coming, but the video is not coming, Madhu.
Only the audio is coming.
Madhumita, if it does not work, then just send me the video. I'll share my screen. We can
Okay,
move
okay.
ahead
Miss
with it.
Anusha, Miss Anusha, how are you?
Good, Mr. Nitin. How are you doing today? I'm unable to hear you, sir.
I'm saying finally the day has come.
Yes, absolutely.
So we have all these students who are doing some engineering, some business school, some MBA, some BTech. So they all are here, except the what we say Manya and Abhiraj. They are not doing BTech and MBA, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your taking time. So my students will take over the session. They will manage the session, and I will be at the back side. So they lead the session, everything.
Sure, Mr. Apo.
Okay, Madhumita, better take over. Madhumita, Mahima, Medha.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
just 2 minutes.
Yes,
I guess
sir.
it's not
Okay,
sharing.
okay,
Just 2 minutes,
okay.
sir.
Just try to keep the videos on. Don't put the videos off. Okay, beta? Medha,
Yes, sir,
Madhumita.
coming. Sir, I was baking.
Okay, the guest is here, so let the video be on. Okay. Hi, Abhiraj.
Mahima, did you receive?
Hi.
Yeah, let me just.
Hi. कैसे हो?
Fine.
You
Madhumita, just check if the video. Madhumita, is the video visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible. This one has to be played. Yeah, I'll just welcome ma'am once again. Sorry for the glitch.
Yeah, Madhumita.
So here we go. We all watched ma'am's work, and I'm dead sure that you all going to curse me for this craving which I have shown you. When I saw the videos, I was really craved and literally badly craved. So this is just the beginning of the cravings, and we have a lot more to share. Let's talk to Anusha ma'am and get the work started. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Madhumita. Thank you,
Ma'am,
Madhumita, for the lovely introduction, Madhu.
it was a pleasure working with you. You are really, if you bake a cake that's sweet, you are more sweeter than a cake.
Thank you so much, Madhu. Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
And
can you share with us some basic rules of baking?
absolutely, Madhu. And before I start my basic rules for baking, I would like to thank you as well as Mr. Nitin for giving me a wonderful opportunity. And good morning and good afternoon, everyone, depending upon which part of the world you guys are joining from. I would like to start by thanking Professor Nitin for giving me this opportunity to participate in such a beautiful event. And I understand that most of you all have completed the cakes which was given ahead of for today's session. And I'm extremely excited to be a part of this enthusiastic team. And I will be providing some key concepts of baking and followed by frosting. And then we'll have a question answer session. And to start with baking rules, first thing is like, it's very simple. Baking is an art, and that's what people say. But I would call it baking it as a science because, like, a lot of things work on it. It has to work on the texture. It has to look beautiful, and basically today, due to COVID situation, a lot of people have taken baking to a different level. Even a home housewives and the students, everyone started baking as a stress buster. And to start with baking, if people are interested in, first thing is let me go with the to keep ourselves and environment clean. Clean your hands before you start anything. Clean your hands. Keep yourself clean. Sanitize your hands. Sanitize the place we are working thing. And initially, to start with baking, you need to keep all the ingredients ready. First rule is that when you're starting, take out the recipe from the internet or wherever, whether you're following someone, whether you know the recipe, whether you don't know the recipe. I would want you guys to take a printout or a screenshot of the recipe and keep it right next to you so that you don't do any mistake. And all the baking ingredients has to be at room temperature. No two ways about it. Like it has to be on a room temperature. Let it be butter, let it be flour, or you're using a fruit. Everything has to be at room temperature. Second thing is you have to weigh all your ingredients. As I told you, baking is a science. You have to have the correct proportion because, like, when you're mixing two chemicals in your school or college, what happens when you mix a wrong chemical? It outbursts. It's the same thing with the baking. You need to have the correct ingredients in the correct level, no up or down about it. Everything has to be on a correct proportion. Follow the steps correctly. Apart from that, before you start baking, once the ingredients are ready, I want you guys to preheat the oven. The temperature has to be set. If it's 180, it's 180. If it's 230, if it's 230. Preheat it about 20 minutes prior. So once you finish your mixing, immediately you can put it inside the oven. And once you bake the cake, clear the place immediately so that you can just take it out, frost the cake, and enjoy the cake with your dear and the near ones. And I think this is the basic rule for baking. Apart from that, if you have any questions, we can just go ahead with the next session. Over to you,
My
Madhu.
mother would be really happy to know the fact that we have to clean after bake.
That's the main thing because once the place is cleared, then it's much easier to work on the frosting of the cake.
Because I always cake and leave the part of cleaning to her. She's listening and she's smiling at me right now. She would be really happy that now she would be like, she told you now you have to clean it yourself.
Yeah.
I hope these rules would bring some or the other improvement in all of our existing baking skills. And also there is a part, we have a lot of kids joining us today. So baking and kids, that goes hand in hand, and it's really a wonderful experience. I literally watched each and every video and pictures of them, and it literally made my day. So I would like Mahima to please share her screen and present us the video of the kids baking section.
Everybody can try to be on camera if they want. No need to be
Yes,
behind the
it is
curtain.
really, it would really be great that if you all are on the camera so that
It's like
we
a
can
family
just.
event, so everybody can be on the camera.
Yes, Mahima, this is the video. This one. Thank you so much.
There is nothing official about happiness. It's always informal.
Okay, Mahima.
Mahima, unmute. Voice not coming.
Mahima, the audio is not there.
Okay, somebody muted me. So.
Exactly, someone muted me too by mistake, I guess.
I did that. I did that mistaken.
Yes, Mahima, this is the video.
Do we have this girl on camera? Where is this girl, young girl? Avni, बेटे आप हो कैमरे पे? Put the camera on, बच्चों.
Sir. Yes, Namaskar.
Yes, put the camera on. Yes, two sisters are there. Wow, that is nice. Sister. Rehan, are you here? Is Rehan here?
I think Krish is also here.
Krish, are you here, beta? Come on the camera. Avni, come beta on the camera. Just want to say hello to everybody. Wow, so many cupcakes. Aishwarya, fantastic cakes coming out. Aishwarya, fantastic cupcakes.
Thank you.
Yeah, Madhu.
The best part of this whole event is that we all bake our cake for people at our home, for our own birthdays, for our own benefits. But this event is a bit different. Mahima, you can just wait for this video, Mahima.
Yeah.
Thank you. So what we do, we always bake for ourselves. So this event is a bit different because here we are baking not only for us but for people who would really appreciate our baking. We all live in a family. We have 6 to 7 members, and we all bake birthday cakes every now and then for someone or the other. And because of the lockdown situation, we all are bound to bake cakes at home. So apart from baking for ourselves, we got this privilege to bake for people who would really appreciate it as much as we will do it. So that was
Yes.
the best part. And this is no end. Our club members too have a different kind of love for baking. And I am going to show you a video that would probably show you how much we love to bake and how much we love to spread our happiness all along. So I would like to ask Mahima to play the other video so that we all can see our club members' performances.
Yeah. This one, Madhumita?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Hi.
दिया की उड़ती पाखिरी अखियों में आजा साकिरी रारी रारो ओ रारी रो रारी रारो ओ रारी रो रात के रत पर जाने वाले नींद का रस बरसाने वाले इतना कर दे कि मेरी आंखें भर दे आंखों में बसता रहे सपना ये हंसता रहे सुरमई अखियों में नन्हा मुन्ना एक सपना
Mahima, video.
Yes, sir.
वीडियो नजर नहीं आ रहा।
सर हमें
It's visible. I guess it's not an issue.
ओके ओके
उड़ते पाखिरी अखियों में आजा साकिरी रारी रारो ओ रारी रो रारी रारो ओ रारी रो रारी रारो ओ रारी रो रारी रारो ओ रारी
Yeah, Madhumita.
Thank you so much, Mahima, for being my savior today. Let us just go to our next and the most exciting session for which we all have joined. That is learning how to cross from Mahima ma'am. Mahima, thank you so much for your help. Let's go to Anusha ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, you're not audible.
You're not audible. Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
you're audible.
It was
And-
lovely cake which was baked by the students. It was such a lovely pleasure to see such lovely cakes and lot of people who have shared the cake as well. It's awesome. You guys, hats off to you guys for Mr. Nitin and your team. You guys have done a wonderful job.
So that ma'am can have a nice discussion.
Yeah. Is it clear
Yes.
now?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. I hope you guys are ready with your cupcakes or like cakes, whichever you are ready with. We can just keep it. And still you, yeah. 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 I'm unable to hear. It's okay.
Ma'am, you are audible now. Ma'am, Madhumita, you have muted us.
No,
Is it okay?
Yes, it's audible now.
Okay. Okay, let's start with our frosting, and we'll be learning some basic frosting today. I've shared my recipe with your team as well as my students on WhatsApp, and I think Madhumita would have done the same. And I've done some samples of keeping things ready so I don't miss out on anything. All we need is a piping bag, preferably a disposable one, and we need a nozzle. Any nozzle you can just choose from. There are varieties of nozzle which is available in the market. So you can just choose whatever you want. And I've made some bags with different colors. I've just made like purple, pink, and yellow. But I will show you how to build the sink bag, the icing bag. All you need is a glass. I'm just teaching you on a home perspective. So it will be easy for whatever is available at home. You guys will be able to do it. So I'm just not teaching you in a professional way. I'm just teaching you what is available at home during the COVID situation. You guys can't really step out. So that's one of the reason I'm just taking what is available at home. All we need is a disposable bag and a nozzle of your choice. It can be anything. It can be a star tip and it can be a rose tip. It can be a round tip. Whatever you want, you can just choose. Of people who don't have an icing bag or a tip, I will show you another one where you can just use a normal spatula or a butter knife and you can still do it. Okay. I've just already put an icing bag and a nozzle inside. I'm using a glass and I'm putting it in so that I can just fill up the thing. And this is a recipe which I've used, and I'm using a blue color in it. And I would prefer to use a gel color, which is like this. Can you see it? Yeah? Are you guys able to see? So this is a gel color where we are using it. Yeah. And I made a consistency like which is completely like a cream. It should not be too loose and it should not be too tight. The consistency is like this. Can you see? So I'm just using the glass and I'm filling up the completely filled. Okay. I'm taking the icing bag. I'm pushing all the icing down. I'm just pushing it towards the end so there are no air bubbles that is formed. So there won't be any air so that we don't miss out on the decoration. Okay. I'm taking a basic cupcake, which you guys will be able to see here. Are you guys able to see? Yeah. And always make your this thing very tight. The icing bag a little tight and hold it like this. This is how you hold like this. Push it and you give a pressure like this. Okay. And this is a cupcake. All I'm doing is I'm just putting a slight pressure. That's it. If you see, there is a star which is formed. Can you see it? Yeah. Give me those flowers, please.
Yes,
the white
ma'am.
flower. Give me the.
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. So this is one of the design you can just say. And I've already made these roses with the the roses here, which I've made it with the sugar and the fondant, which you can place it on top. That will look so classic. Simple design, but it will look classic. Okay. Another thing, what we can do is, I'm taking another cupcake. Okay. I'm using a star tip. This is called the star tip. Can you see it? Yeah. And I'm keeping the icing bag straight on the cupcake, and I'm just putting a pressure and I'm just turning towards my right. And if you see, there are roses formed. Just one turn. Madhu, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, can you just hold that rose next to you so that I can take a screenshot?
Yeah, like this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just a side, thoda sa side.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
And with the same thing, I'm using something like a smaller, this is a smaller tip of the star. What I'm doing is I'm just putting a small stars. Again, keeping it straight. I'm putting a small star. You guys must be seeing. Right? And again, I'm using all with the same kind of a model, which is the star tip. Star tip, with one nozzle, you can make around 13 varieties of designs. That's the best part about it. So again, a bigger star, what I'm doing is holding it straight and I'm putting like this. Can you see? Are you guys able to see? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
This
We
is
can
one
see.
of the designs. Or with the same star, what we can do is, same star I'm using, but I'm making waves like this. Can you see? I made a wave at the side and I'm using a pink and I'm making a rose in the center. It is just one thing, one nozzle, but so many designs you can make. And you can use the same nozzle and just make a mark like this. And there are varieties of sprinklers. I mean, you get it like this. Okay, you can use this, and there are a lot of varieties like this. From Wilton, you get it like a bead. What you can do is you can just put few beads around. Here, I'm just taking it and just putting it. It look very simple and very nice. And again, these things, these flowers, you can make it with fondant and keep it ready. So when you're frosting the cake, all you have to do is, once it dries up at 24 hours at room temperature, you can just put it in a box and keep it. And then here you go. A beautiful decorated cupcakes you'll get. Okay. And for people who, let's just take the spatula for me. Okay. No, the small one. Okay. For the people who don't have a icing bag or a nozzle, what they can do is very simple. Take a butter knife. All you need is a butter knife. I'm using a spatula, small spatula. Okay. And I'm taking the frosting and I'm just putting it in a very rough way. Can you see? I've made it very, very rough. And I'm taking a spatula, or you can use a butter knife, whichever is available at home. But it should not have sharp ends. And I'm pushing it towards my side, all the sides. Can you see? Here? Can you see? Yeah. You can make a rough sides like this. And you get M&Ms wherever. Everywhere M&Ms are available, everywhere gems are available. You can take those and all you have to do is just place it on all the sides with different colors. So it will look a very, very simple design, but it will look beautiful once you complete it. Yellow. Okay, see here. Can you see? It's a basic design what you can do, and then you don't want to leave it plain in the center. Either you can fill it up with completely M&M chocolate, or you can just use a Ferrero Rocher. Remove just the ends, remove just the ends, the cover of it. Take it and just place it. Then you will have something like this. Can you guys see?
Yes, ma'am, we can see it.
Yeah. And then whatever cupcakes we have made, I'm using these kind of colored sprinkles. I'm just taking it and I'm just putting it on top of it. Okay. And these are also made with sugar ones. These are Hello Kitty. Basically, it goes very well with the kids theme. So these also you can just make it at home with the sugar balls or the sprinkles. What do you have? Design it on a parchment paper. You can design it, apply some buttercream, and make this at home. You don't have to spend much. And I'm placing it in the center. And here your cupcakes are ready. Can you see? Are you guys able to see?
They look
So-
very pretty. They
So-
really look very pretty. We can all give a thumbs up on the camera.
Yeah, this is one of it. And this is the second one which we have made. And the third one, what we have made is this, the simple one, what the kids can make at home. Okay. Any doubts or anything, you can just check with me. Okay, let me just tell you for this frosting, in case like whatever the recipe I've given, in case you find the frosting too thin, because like the frosting, sometimes what happens is our concentration will be somewhere else. Maybe you might be adding a little more extra cream. So what happens is the consistency of the cream will run out. For that, you don't have to worry. Add little more icing sugar to it, beat it up nicely, then leave it, it is perfect. Again, when it is too thick, the consistency of the buttercream is too thick, don't again worry. Like you don't have to follow the exact recipe, because up and down, you can just play with these. You can just add 2 spoons of extra cream or cold milk, mix it up well, and then take it out, then it will be very nice. So if you have any doubts or anything regarding the icing or any baking, you can shoot out your questions.
I had a doubt.
Yeah.
While I was making my frosting, I don't have a stand mixer. Instead, I was very late. It was almost 12:30, so I used an electric mixer, and it became very runny. And I didn't know what to do. I just left it in the freezer. And now, when we started the call, I started putting it in a piping bag. But for now, it seems perfect. It looks pretty good. But
Yes.
is it okay to use an electric mixer instead of a stand mixer?
Yes, you can use an electric mixer, you can use a hand whisk, and you can use a stand mixer. Whichever choice depends upon you, because like not everyone will have everything readily available at home. In a
Correct.
hand, if in case if you're using a whisk, if my stand mixer just has a beating time of 20 minutes, in a hand what do you say, whisk, it will take about 30 minutes. In a stand mixer, it will take about 25 minutes. Only the time varies, but the texture and the thing is, it remains the same. And in case if you're frosting the cake, if you find it too runny and if you're in an urgent thing, as I told you, you can add extra icing sugar. So that will just hold it up and it'll be perfect.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Any more questions? The forum is open for questions. We all have our baking problems, so we can just ask it to ma'am.
I have another doubt.
Yeah.
Yesterday, basically, we are following the Potasi Masam in Chennai, so we don't eat non-veg at home. We don't cook. So while baking my chocolate cupcakes, instead of egg, I had to use a substitute. And in your recipe, you made it very clear that don't use substitutes, especially if you're trying it for the first time. But I didn't have an option, so I just looked up in the internet for a substitute for using egg. And I found what I had readily available was bananas. So I kind of tried using the bananas. The cupcakes turned out very nice, soft by texture and stuff, but I can still get the taste of banana while having it. So is it okay to...
Yes, banana and apple puree is one thing you can use, but definitely you will since if you're using a fruit, definitely you'll have a fruit smell in it. What I would recommend is either you can take a buttermilk or you can take a 1/4 cup of yogurt. If you browse through the internet, one egg is about equal to 1/4 of the yogurt, like whatever homemade yogurt or the readily available market yogurt. Take it, keep it at room temperature, beat it up well, and then you can use it.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I do have a question.
Yes.
It's a very noob question. Ma'am, whenever I bake a cake, first of all, it's fine. But after some time, when I open the lid or when I just go and peep into the oven, I see a cracked upper layer. The upper layer gets cracked. Ma'am, why does that happen?
There are 3 reasons for it. One, you have added extra baking powder or a baking soda to your thing, which gets cracked, or your oven is not evenly getting baked. Like as I mean, if you would have seen my video, I always mention to my students in this thing, it should always be top grill, down grill, and the fan has to be on together. So what happens is it gets baked evenly on top, down, and the fan controls the temperature of the oven, so it gets evenly baked. So that could be one of the reasons. In case if you're having an oven, if you have a problem with like uneven baking, what you can do is there are strips which are available in the baking store, like a small strip, it's called a baking strip, which you can just put it at the side of the baking tray so it gets evenly baked.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you. Any more
Anytime.
questions?
Anyone has any questions? Apart from not only like icing or baking, you can not only the recipe is of mine, you can shoot out any recipe.
I think we will have questions later on, so they all will contact you later because we are trying to gulp it in right now. So
Okay.
maybe we can have questions later and we can contact you whenever we have any baking issues.
Yes, absolutely. What you can do is you can just mail it to me, or you can just follow me on Instagram, and you can just send me a personal message. So I'll be happy to solve all your queries.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to, I don't have any question, but I
Okay.
would like to congratulate and thank you for giving those tips. I have never tried frosting, but I'm definitely going to try. It is really, I am not a part of this, but I just want you to watch and enjoy it. And I have really learned a lot from you. Thank you. Thank you very much for
Thank you.
this.
Thank you, Ms. Rashmi.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining.
Okay.
I think so. Yes, we have a question, I guess. No, I think we all are done with our questions. And it was really a great session, getting to know those tips and tricks. I would like to take 2 more minutes. I want to talk something about my NGO, and then we would rather again proceed to the next thing. So I just hope you all bear with me for 2 more minutes. Like this was the fun part. Now comes a bit of the gloomy part. I would like to talk about my NGO a bit. I would like to share a poster which I made for my NGO, so that I don't want to give any long presentation because we all will get bored because of that. So I'll just share a poster and give you some basic idea of what my NGO does and how we are helping each other right now. Is it visible?
Yeah, we can see your screen. Yeah.
Yes. So I'm a part of an NGO that is Blood Connect. It is the largest youth-run initiative working in this field, and it started. It was started by IITians, which were who were from Delhi in 2010. The biggest part that Blood Connect is playing in this current scenario is the COVID situation, in which we all do not really want to step out of our homes and we want to be in a safe environment. But the problem stands still with the patients of thalassemia and many more other major issues like the patients who are in surgery or in some other conditions, because they do not get the sufficient amount of blood they require, and literally the blood banks which we have are already shrinking it up in size. So what we have done, we have taken this initiative. It's a long back initiative, but right now we are a bit more active because we are seeing that during this COVID situation, we have a lack of donors and we have lack of people who wants to go out and donate. People can go to markets and malls, but they would really not like to go to a hospital and donate blood. So what we are here, we really want everyone's help. I just want everyone to have a word with people around them. I know it is not possible for everyone just to step out of their houses and go and donate blood. So what I would like is, I would really require a small amount of your help, and this help I'm asking to everyone. Just please spread a word that the blood banks are really drying up, and if anyone can come forward and become a donor, there is a link shared at the bottom of the poster. There is a link, and from with you, there are two links actually. The first link is to raise a request. We handle 24/7 emergency requests. Like if you have any problem you can just give us a raise a request, and then we will just call you back to verify it, and we will start searching for voluntary donors. The voluntary donors, we have a database, and then what we do, we start calling them. We have our own members. There is a helpline system, and we start calling people, and then if we find any donors, we just try to connect the requester from the voluntary donor, and then this whole situation can go smooth hand in hand. And then second link is to become a donor. Anyone from the age of 18 to 65 can donate blood, regardless of the situation, that they are on permanent medication or if they are taking some antibiotics. There are some rules which we need to remember. Other than that, this is the best gift actually we can give. I think so personally that everything can be gifted, like, but the gift of life is the most important gift we can share with anyone. So the thing is ki, like, this is our initiative, and I really want all of you to just spread a word that right now the situations are not in our favor, and we should just come a step ahead and try to get some more donors. And please, any one of you, if you get any leads to this, you can just contact me anytime. And if in the future anytime you have any problem related to this, like if you are in a need of blood, or if any of your relative is in the need of blood, you can just message us, or you can just come in contact with us with those links written below. And you can contact me also personally. I'll spread a word that the person is in the need. And so it would really be a great initiative if we just try to come forward, because the part is blood cannot be made in a lab. Like, we have started growing different tissues, cultures, and we are so advanced in a situation that we can also do heart transplant. We can do 3D printing of heart, but the thing still remains the same. Blood cannot be manufactured. So I think that would be the best gift we all can give to each other. And we never know when we will require it. So let's just come forward and help the people in need. And I have really seen situations in which the requester, and especially in the Delhi NCR region, I can say this thing with my some months of experience, that due to the major hospitals which work in Delhi, people around the area comes to Delhi, and they do not have any kind of relatives, or they do not have any kind of known people from whom they can ask for donations. So we try to help those people first, because we know that they do not have anyone around us. So I would really like all of you to have a word with people around you. And I know you all are from Bahrain, but you all have relatives in India. So just please have a word with them, and you can give my number, and they can just contact Blood Connect at any moment of time. And this is all across India, and it is 24/7 emergency situation helpline. So we all can just come forward and take an initiative. What scientists cannot make, I think we all can gift each other. Thank you so much. And now I would like, I know I took a lot of time than I said. Sorry for that. And
Something to see this.
I think, oh, Medha has baked something right now.
Yeah.
And that's a cute smiley.
Yeah.
That's really,
Very
really
good,
great.
very nice.
I've tried
Medha,
with
what
whatever
have you used for? Okay. Aishwarya ma'am is also sharing with us her creations.
This is what Anusha ma'am
Really
recommended.
nice.
That's so nice. That's really nice.
I'm happy that we all are getting some tips and tricks, and it is all good.
Absolutely. It was my pleasure doing something for you all, and a small contribution from my side.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. And I would like Nitin sir to address us. Nitin sir, I think there is a technical glitch. Am I audible and visible?
Yes.
Okay, so there is a problem at sir's end. So I would really like to thank you all for coming here and getting this amazing experience of baking not only for us but for others. It was really a great pleasure meeting Anusha ma'am and all her teammates and
Is
all
the
her
voice
students.
coming, Madhumita?
And yes sir, we can hear you.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Anusha, for your wonderful treat. If I say visual treat, and now people would be having a stomach treat also. Some of the students have already
First of all,
given
we
the
will
treat
have a
to the
stomach
people
ache.
who are living around them, the security guards and around some laborers around the city and all that. So I'm sure they must have got the feel that Anusha ma'am was there with the students who have encouraged everybody to bake a cake. Many of them have done it for the first time, right? Madhumita, Medha, and everybody, they have done for the
Yes.
first time.
Yes.
So these students are doing engineering or management degrees and all that, but this is a little different world altogether. This is like normally when they go and buy a cake, but now they can say we can bake a cake, right? So they are getting ready for the new food skills. During the corona time, we observe okay, the new skill. Somebody who knows how to cook a food is not only a girl's job, it is a life skill. It is a life skill.
Absolutely.
So those we observe that those couples, on a very funny note, those means the people who want to eat more during this event of corona, whatever we say, not even a pandemic times. So they were very appreciative of how the people are able to cook, how they're able to manage. Even those who don't know how to cook, they manage that. But yes, celebrating a birthday during the corona time was a challenge because the shops were closed, everything was closed, only grocery shops are open, but people can't bake a cake. So I'm sure they will be able to now cook their or bake their own cake for their own loved ones and even for the people who are around them. So thank you, Anusha ma'am, for your time. And I'm sure if anybody want to say something to Anusha ma'am, please kindly come forward. Participants, if anybody want to say thank you to Anusha ma'am, everybody can come on the camera. We can take a group selfie. I am putting a large screen. Everybody come on the camera, please. I'm putting a large screen now.
So those
Can
who have
you all see
made
the large
cakes, they can
screen?
take their cakes also.
Yes, everybody can see the large screen.
Mahima, please take your cake. Mahima just went and distributed it. We cannot show you the video because it was a bit glitchy. Mahima, please bring your cupcakes.
Yeah, I've already given it to the people. I can share the
Okay,
screen.
if anybody want to show their cupcakes or any cake on the camera, I will take a selfie immediately. Anybody want to show they have something on the camera, they want to show something, a little memory?
Mr. Nitin,
Okay, just put your cakes. Sorry.
Yes, Mr. Nitin, like my daughter simultaneously sitting with me and frosting all my cupcakes. She would like to show her work as well.
Please tell her to show.
Yeah.
Only need 2 words.
Wow.
Those are really beautiful.
Just come on the, just show your face. We're not able to see your face, daughter face. Yes, now we can see that.
Yeah, she frosted the cupcakes.
I think we can take a group selfie and then
Yes.
Mahima has to show us something. And I am damn sure we all will love that what Mahima shows. So we can just take a selfie and move towards Mahima.
I have taken a selfie. Everybody can see the big screen, right? Everybody on the camera. You all can see that, right? So in case you also want to take your own selfie, you can take your own selfie, right? There's a button called screenshot. Just take the screen. I've taken the screen and I will be sharing it with you all. Anybody want to say something to Miss Anusha and the young participants? Just anybody?
It was a great pleasure working with Anusha ma'am. We all from a home bake level now we know a bit more of that. Like we can just say that we have become not half, 1/4 professional. And we will keep in touch with Anusha ma'am so that we can become somewhat a good baker. And I hope next time my cake doesn't burst out of the pan. And now I know I have to add less of baking soda.
Absolutely.
And all the kids.
Anusha ma'am, the students of yours who want certificates, just send us the names of those full names, the full names, right? Give it to Madhumita, please. Huh?
Sure.
I'll handle that segment, and I am in contact with everyone. I hope, I suppose, with the people, with the kids especially. So I'll just prepare their certificates and send it to you. I have the names, and I'll just confirm it once again before just getting it printed. So I'll just wait for the names, and then you all will get your certificates for your lovely creations. And you kids literally made my day, and I think Anusha ma'am and the kids and all our members together made today's day, and it was really a great event.
And one more thing to everybody, tomorrow is 27th of September. Are you aware what is tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
What is tomorrow?
Sir, आप ही बताएंगे.
Tomorrow is International Daughters Day. Tomorrow is International Daughters Day. There is a little time issues. Either it is on 25th, some people do on 25th, some on 27th. So we have taken the average. 26th we have decided. So we thought of celebrating this day for the Daughters Day. So from MIT University, we wish everybody a happy Daughters Day. And I'm sure I am not seeing majority of the girls are here, so I'm sure the Daughters Day is being celebrated at our side. We have boys also, right? So we have Manya, we have Vandana, we have Rashmi, we have Medha, Anusha is there, Amrita Sheen, right? Amrita Sheen, this is your full name? Beta, your voice, you are on mute.
Amrita Varshini.
Amrita Varshini. Okay, thank you, beta. Then we have Miss Ashwarya. What is the meaning, Amrita Varshini?
Nectar rain.
Pardon?
Nectar rain.
Nectar rain.
That's really a great.
There is a holy grail and this is nectar rain, rain of nectars. Okay. Then we have Miss Ayushi, we have Manya, we have Kumar, madam, and sir is there. How are you, ma'am? Namaskar. Thank you for joining. We have Rashmi Jalota. Thank you, Rashmi, for joining. We have Shweta is there. And thank you everybody for joining. Those who are not on the camera, still thank you on behalf of Center of Happiness of MIT University. And on behalf of MIT University, I want to say thank you to Ms. Anusha for taking time and making this fun event possible. Now they would be able to enjoy cake making at home. They don't want to buy because making is fun. Buying is a little you need permissions from the dad, mom. But now if you say I want to bake a cake, no mom, dad will say no. They will say, okay, make your own cake. This is a life skill. This is a fantastic skill. Everybody can learn it out. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for joining.
Sir, I would take a minute. Sir, I would take a minute. Sir, I want to see what Mahima has us to show. Let's just take one more minute and just look at it. Mahima, please show.
Yes. Just give them cupcakes.
So the intention was to make the cake and let us celebrate the birthday or at least a wish for people who are around who can afford it or who just think when they have when they see a cake in the bakery shop and they wish they would have it. So this is a small initiative. Last time we did for sandwiches. Everybody made sandwiches at home and they distributed to everybody. Then after that, we also have one event for bags. They made paper bags and they give it to the vendors. Now they have made a cakes. Thank you, Mahima, wonderful cake. and now they have given it to the people around. So I'm sure the feeling of being together in the society is growing in amity. And those who are attached with us from India and outside Bahrain and other countries, thank you so much for your time. Irrespective
Thank
of
you,
your
Mr.
age
Nitin.
that you have joined us, thank you so much. Thank you. And
Thank
stay
you, Mr.
connected.
Nitin and Madhu and all other students. And it was a wonderful initiative which is taken by the Amity of Happiness. And keep growing, keep serving people. And as you said, like celebrating birthdays and anniversaries, it is like nothing like homemade. Like whatever you buy from store, it's nothing like what you make from hand and give it. And sharing has always been caring. We have been learning from our childhood. And wonderful initiative. And thanks once again.
One student told me
Thank you so much,
when they
ma'am, for joining us.
when they buy a cake, they finish it very quickly and they even waste it. But when they make their own cake, they don't want to waste even 1 gram of that. They even
Correct.
shout back on dad, mom, okay, mom, you are wasting my cake. Something like that.
I
The
agree on
So
that.
efforts are
that is the
valued.
kind of involvement people have learned by making a cake, and joy is separate. Joy is different. But that is a kind of a responsibility or a kind of a sense of cleanliness at a very small level. But yes, involvement is very high when you make something.
Absolutely.
Thank you,
Thank you so
everybody.
much.
Thank you so much, everybody, for your
Thank you
time.
so much.
God bless
Thank you
everybody.
so much for
Bye.
joining.
And once again, happy International Daughters Day to
Thank
everybody.
you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Recording will be
Thank
shared
you,
shortly.
sir.
Sure. Thank you.